Hey everybody, so we just wanted to shoot these videos for you to give you a quick introduction to be able to put a face with a name really, since we're having to do back to school night a little bit differently this year. In this video I'll go over the courses that I'm currently teaching, maybe some important policies for you to know about, and also just a little bit of information about myself in case it's the first time that I've taught your student. So my experience is in science. I'm a science teacher. I'm also currently serving as the science department chair here at Castleview. Most of my interest is in the biological sciences, as you can see. The best decision I ever made was to do this and get my my teaching certificate so that I could come and teach high school, because I absolutely love my job. It's my favorite thing in the world to do. Along with that, I've been very lucky to be able to smash that with another interest, my interest in teaching, along together with my interest in science, to where I'm currently extending my education and learning more by pursuing a master's in molecular biology from Washington State University. And I mention that just because I'm a student on my own right now, and I understand some of the difficulties of doing things remote, doing things over the computer. I can certainly empathize, because that's something I'm going through in my own studies, my own coursework right now. This is my 8th year teaching at Castleview. I've loved every moment. I love being here, and I love being part of this school and this community. I've taught a lot of classes here as well. So I've taught AP Bio, AP Seminar, which is part of a new AP Capstone program that partners with AP Research. This is our 2nd year doing that. I've taught freshman biology, biotechnical engineering 1, 2, and 3, and those are my big interests right now, along with AP Seminar, which I'll show you here in a second. I've also taught chemistry, forensic science, and an interdisciplinary course called Futurology with a social studies teacher here. Currently, you're watching this video because your student is taking one of these courses. So these are my active courses for the year. Currently, I'm teaching 1 section of AP Seminar, and I'm teaching 2 sections of biotechnical engineering 1 in the fall. I'll also be teaching a section of biotechnical engineering 2 in the spring. So those are the current courses that I'm teaching. Maybe some policies that you should be aware of are here. Maybe I can move this screen real quick so you guys can see. Some of the policies are, I've been telling the kids I'm trying to be overly organized in Canvas so that we can buy time to be creative and chaotic in the classroom. One thing that I put a huge emphasis on is having discussion, getting students' ideas out of their head, working with our hands, especially in the lab, in the biotechnical engineering courses. Those are all things that I really want to do while I'm with them. So in order for us to buy that time, I'm hyper-organized in Canvas, or at least I'm trying to be. So I'm still learning as well, just like your students are and like you are as parents, to make this be as effective as possible. To me, communication is what's going to lead to success and to some effectiveness with the hybrid model. If there's anything that I can do for my students, I always let them know to either come talk to me in person, or in our current circumstances, they can always send me an email or send me a message on Canvas. I welcome and invite you to do the same thing. My contact information is listed below. Best way to reach me is through email. I'll usually get back within 24 hours, and you can see my emails listed out there. I also have my school phone number, which is attached directly to this slide. So thank you so much for taking a few minutes and watching this video. Let me know if there's any questions that I can answer by shooting me an email, and welcome back to school.